So quick check here, turning water on from the mixer. There's a bit of a leak here, that's my mixer. Press the top one, out we get water from the top, turn it off, it's off, turn the other one here though, and nothing comes out of the shower head. So this is not working. Nothing.